In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to a template layout using the Canvas framework screen. We'll go through the process in a clear, simple way so you can follow along inside your email builder without missing anything. To begin, make sure you're on your template layout Canvas framework screen. If you already have multiple pages or tools open, use your Chrome navigation tabs to return to the correct builder view. It's a good idea to confirm that you're back on the active template before making any design changes, especially if you've been switching between assets, previews, or other workspace windows. Once you're in the right place, look over to the Active Email Builder sidebar panel. Inside that panel, find the Global Styles configuration area and click the gear-shaped Settings tab. This is where you control broader visual settings for your template, including styling options that affect larger layout sections rather than just individual content blocks. Taking a moment to work from the Global Styles area helps keep your design consistent and professional. Next, choose the structural page zone where you want the background image to appear. This could be the body, the header, or the pre-header, depending on the section you're trying to update. Be sure to select the correct layout layer area before continuing because the image will apply specifically to the section you highlight. If you're unsure, pause briefly and check the selected zone name in the builder so you know you're editing the intended part of the layout. After selecting the right section, go to the background formatting settings block. In that area, you'll see the Add Image Placeholder Upload link. Click that link to begin adding your background asset. This opens the file selection process connected to your content library, allowing you to pull in an existing visual rather than uploading something new from your computer. From there, browse to your Content Studio file vault and locate the high-resolution background image you want to use. Choosing a high-quality asset is important because background images often span a large section of the template, and lower resolution files can appear blurry or stretched. Once you've found the correct image, select it and click Insert. At this point, the background image should be applied to the structural zone you selected. If needed, take a quick look at the canvas to confirm the image appears in the correct section and supports the overall layout cleanly. And that's it. You've successfully added a background image to your template layout Canvas frame.